All right, I want to talk about the makeup of our cleanouts. So I want to show all the parts that this consists of. Let's go through it really quick. We have a downspout adapter. So this takes you from the square downspout to the round 4-inch pipe. We then have this Y serving as a clean out, and we have a grate in there that pops out, super easy. This is a dual wall 90 up top here to connect the downspout adapter to the clean out assembly, the Y. We have dual wall. You can see it's smooth on the inside. It's a corrugated pipe. So when you look at this assembly, what you have is a downspout adapter to adapt to the 4-inch pipe. We have a piece of dual wall pipe connecting to the clean out assembly, so we can easily run a camera through here, or if you have to stick your shop vac in there because the 90 happens to have something that wouldn't pass through the 90. The 90 is made out of dual wall. This is Boffman Tile Company's dual wall, and this is welded by the craftsman, the tradesman at the Boffman Tile Company in Ohio. This is our full clean out assembly. I endorse for DIYers to buy the one with the 90 because it's so much easier to connect your pipe. Now remember, you're going to need a double bell coupler or an external snap coupler, as they're called. That's what you need. You need the coupler that goes over the top of the dual wall, and it'll go over the top of the single wall. It'll be a good fit, and then you go ahead and you tile tape this so that no tree roots or shrub roots can get inside. And again, it's made out of dual wall. Beautiful. So more than likely, anything that fits down the downspout is going to slide just like a Teflon pan. It's going to slide right through to the D-box. What is the D-box? Well, let me show you. So we have that downspout tied in with this downspout. They meet right here at this junction, and this is a D-box. D-box is an abbreviation and short for distribution box. So we're collecting water from two directions, two different downspouts, and then we're distributing that water